Okay, a very warm welcome everyone once again. So here we are in the next part of the video. So here we will discuss about the conditions over Asia during monsoon. Okay, so before starting with the condition, let us understand what is monsoon first. Okay, the monsoon winds, this all are the winds. Okay, monsoon winds are the seasonal winds that bring life giving rain to the most part of Asia. Okay, the monsoon are the most important part of the Asian annual cycle of the season, impacting millions of lives with their timely arrival or failure to arrive. Now we will see how these winds affect the climate of Asia. Okay, see here in the map, in the summer, what happens as the sun shines directly above the Tropic of Cancer. In the previous video, what I said, in Asia, there are the three important lines of latitudes like Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and the Arctic. Okay, so three this important lines of latitude pass through Asia. Okay, that is why most of the heat zones are lie in Asia. So in the summer season, when this Tropic of Cancer pass, when the sunshine directly falls on this Tropic of Cancer, that time the interior part of the Asia become extremely hot and a belt of the intense low pressure create. Okay, that develops over them, and you see as this wind blow from the southwest direction, they are called the southwest monsoon. Okay, southwest monsoon winds, they bring life giving rain to the most of this South Asia and Southeast Asia. Okay, as the monsoon is vital for the well-being of the people, this region is also known as your monsoon Asia, South Asia and the Southeast Asia. Okay, now you see, upon approaching the Indian landmass, the moisture laden wind first encounter the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. That they cool, they condense, resulting in the rainfall. Okay, the windward side always receive the rainfall, and the leeward sides remain dry. In the previous part also we saw the windward sides and the leeward side. Okay, the windward side, this side receives the rainfall, and the leeward sides remain dry. Okay, always. Then as the rest of the monsoon winds further north, you see, north it encounter Himalayas here, and thus forced to rise once again, condensation occurs, bringing rains to the east and the north of India. Okay, now see, this is how the monsoonal winds bringing rain in the most part of India, South Asia, and the Southeast Asia. Okay, now see, one thing you have to understand here, monsoon rains are mainly orographic in nature. Let us see what is orographic rainfall. Okay, see, you can understand, orographic rainfall is caused when the path of a moist air is obstructed by the mountains, forcing the winds to rise. As they rise, they cool down and condense the cloud. From when they reach the saturation point, heavy rainfall occurs. Okay, as this rainfall caused by the relief of the land, it is also known as your relief rainfall. Okay, so if you see in South Asia and the southeastern part of the Asia, most of the rainfall are caused by this phenomenon. So we called this rainfall as orographic rainfall or the relief rainfall. Okay, so most of the rainfall falls on the side of the mountain that face winds. Okay, this we call the windward side, and the region of this Tibet, Ladakh, and other parts of the Asia that remain dry, because these all fall on your leeward side. Okay, so this is how the movement of the wind, okay, from where the winds are blowing, that also play a very important role in bringing rainfall. Okay, so this is how the orographic rainfall is also a part of our Asian climate. Okay, Now see, in October the conditions are reversed here. Okay, the sun shine over the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, you see the Tropic of Capricorn. Then what happens? What happened in the northern hemisphere? Okay, the Tropic of Capricorn in the northern hemisphere, the Central Asia becomes very dry and high pressure created here. Okay, so cold dry land blow from here towards the surrounding seas. See, towards the surrounding seas. As they cross the seas, they gather moisture and bring rain to the coastal region. Such as the coastal region of here, Tamil Nadu. Okay, then that lie in their path. Okay, then these winds are also known as here northeast monsoon or the retreating monsoon. Okay, so the countries like here Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, Japan, Vietnam, Sri Lanka also receive the rains during the season from the same source. Okay, they are stretching from the Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean coast of the Western Asia, eastwards up to the Punjab plains here, and Punjab plains receive the rain from the cyclonic depressions that originate over the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so this is how the south and the north east monsoon play a very important role in the climatic condition of Asia. Okay, so this is about the monsoonal effect on the climate of Asia. So in the next part we will discuss the major climate regions of the Asia. So after this, factors, the different affecting factors, the climate of the Asia has been categorized into various regions. Okay, so we will look into the different climatic regions of the Asia, and we will see the vegetation of that particular area and also the wildlife. Okay, thank you for today.